Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. I don't know why I always introduce myself. Okay, so in the news today, Rhode Island lawmakers hope to boost state economy with blockchain-friendly legislation. When I see news like this, I just remember what the Nigerian government just did, and I'm like, man, you guys need to grow up. You guys need to grow up. Come on, look at what other governments are doing. Blockchain-friendly legislation. A newly introduced blockchain bill aims to provide a welcoming environment for fintech companies. Why won't they? You see, and then when you leave the country and then go to these countries that are welcoming innovation, welcoming smart minds, and then the government of your country will be like, hey, you guys are not. Other news, guys. This one is really related, right? So it says Twitter considering Bitcoin options, including on balance sheet executives. Now, just in case you don't know what that means, it means that in their balance, that means in their holdings, the amount of money they are keeping as a company, they are planning to include Bitcoin. Now the question is, what is the government of your country doing with your money? See, if you have a company or you're in a company and you're not yet considering to start accepting Bitcoin as a means of payment or to start keeping Bitcoin in your reserve, then I must tell you, you're not ready for the future. You are not ready, right? So this is the next big thing, and it's going to be a trend in the next couple of years or couple of months, right? So in more news, this Virginia-based bank. Now this is a bank right here. After the Nigerian government brought out that news, several companies, several banks have just been accepting blockchain and cryptocurrency innovation, right? So this Virginia-based bank is letting customers buy Bitcoin at their ATM. These guys are smart because they've tried to bring down Bitcoin. They've tried. It's not as if they've not tried. And now they've noticed that, hey, we can't bring it down. So since we can't bring it down, let's play along. That's the smart thing to do. Amazon preparing to launch a digital currency project in Mexico, right? And when this happens, I tell people Bitcoin is going to hit $400,000. Why? Because the signs are all there. Bitcoin is a proof that digital currencies are here to stay. Bitcoin has had over 10 years of uninterrupted functionality, meaning it's been functioning 24/7 within the past 10 to 11 years, right? And it's going to be a trend, right? Companies around the world, governments around the world will start moving away from from fiat, which is paper money, to digital currency, right? We've seen banks start accepting cryptocurrency. We've seen companies accepting cryptocurrency, and now we've seen pawn industry. See, pawn shop. Strip chat says crypto payments increased by 400% in a year. Come on, 400% a year. And you know why people are using cryptocurrency to pay for pawn? You see, number one, because you have privacy. You see, number two, the speed of service. Cryptocurrencies are way faster than normal conventional payment method. You see, and the charges are extremely low. Currencies like EOS, right? If you make a transaction with EOS, it's free of charge. Can your bank offer you that same service? The answer is no. So this is going to be a trend within the next couple of years or months. MasterCard announces support for crypto on its network. It just keeps going on. Now, this is just shortly after the Nigerian government released that news. I don't know why I keep referencing that Nigerian government news. Youngest hodler ever, Elon Musk buys DOGE for his 9-month-old baby. And Elon Musk has proven to the entire global space, not just the crypto space, that he's very smart. You see? He's very smart. And not only is his technology taking advantage of current trend, buying Bitcoin, talking about blockchain technology, space science. He's also buying cryptocurrency for his kid. You see, Most of you here currently, you might have your dad, in the house. You might have kids already. Have you started buying cryptocurrencies for your kids? You see, each month you can do dollar cost average. You can say, okay, I'm buying $10 worth of Bitcoin for my son every month, every day, or $20 worth of Bitcoin for my son every day, or Ethereum, or EOS, or Hagulex coin. See, that is how to prepare for the future. Okay, so start looking into Bitcoin payment for employees. Say CFO. This is the trend. This is the trend. Why? Because these cryptocurrencies are unstoppable. Just in case you don't know, several world financial giants called Bitcoin a scam several times. They called Bitcoin rat poison. They said it was going to die off. Yeah, so after all that, we see how Bitcoin. And now the fact that Bitcoin survived all those claims, all those lies, has proven that Bitcoin is a very hard currency and is not going anywhere anytime soon. So what are they doing now? They've seen the price go up and they were like, hey, all right, we can kill this thing. Since we can't kill it, I think we should move with it. And now they are opting to pay their staffs in cryptocurrency. And best me, Bitcoin will not be the only cryptocurrency they will pay their staff, because Bitcoin is so scarce, right? The supply of Bitcoin is so little, just 21 million Bitcoin. And there are well over 21 million millionaires in the world, right? So in more news, coincidence, company stocks rising after they buy Bitcoin. Of course, that's Elon Musk. Is it Elon Musk? It seems to be the season of giving, and Bitcoin is doing just that, at least for its institutional backers, such as MicroStrategy, Galaxy Digital, Square, Marathon, Patent Group. Anyways, what this article is just saying that all the companies that have been buying Bitcoin into their holdings have seen massive gain, including Tesla. Tesla just bought 1.5 billion Bitcoin shortly after the Nigerian government shamefully stopped its people from. They can't stop their people, right? The bank stopped their citizens from buying Bitcoin through the bank, and that's a huge shame, big shame. Premier League Football Club enters VR, right, virtual reality partnership with crypto betting sites. It's the future. It's the future. Crypto is not going anywhere anytime soon. And the earlier you start accepting this and start buying some cryptocurrencies for yourself, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, DOGE, Hagulex, the better for you, because these things are going to. I remember I met Ethereum at $10, and I bought some Ethereum when it was at $10. Though I sold later, but Ethereum was at $10. You see, what's the price of Ethereum today? $1,729. Imagine you bought 1,000 then. XRP few years ago was about 0.0 something dollars. XRP right now is 0.5. In the next 5 to 10 months, Bitcoin should be around $100,000. Ethereum should be around $5,000. XRP should be around $3. Bitcoin Cash around maybe $1,000. EOS around $20. Doge probably $1. All right. Now, of course, these are mere speculation. It's not a financial advice, right? So make sure you do your research before buying any of these coins. Russia has imported its largest Bitcoin miner batch. Now let's read this. An unknown client in Russia has stacked 20,000 Bitcoin miners at one Bit Rivers location in Siberia. Russia has reportedly imported thousands of cryptocurrency mining devices amid a massive surge in the crypto market. A senior executive at Bit River, the largest crypto mining collation services provider in Russia, claimed that a local client received 20,000 crypto mining devices. These guys are ready for the future, right? And I'm just going to give an advice to the government in Africa. You guys need to stop doing stupid things and wake up, right? You've been a third world country for too long, and cryptocurrency is giving you an opportunity to come up. You see, go and check the Bitcoin trend. Nigerians always have the top position. You see, take advantage of this. Get those guys that understand this technology and sit down with them and find out how you can use this technology to improve your country and your economy, right? Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video.
See ya.